Lackawaxen River. It's beautiful here. Already caught 3 trout further up the river, and I caught 4 smallmouth. One was decent size and the others were smaller. One was really small, and I caught 1 chub, but the 3 trout were in really cool, big, fat. One of them's got to be 16 inches, but the others are at least 14 and fat. Did I mention they were fat? Okay. But the water here, the river is beautiful here. They did release some water further upstream, up the river, so it's going to be rising a little bit and getting murkier, and which is all good, because the fish, when they can't see as well, they jump on what they do see. Boy, I can almost cast all the way to the other side of the river here just with the MEPS, the spinner. If I had a cast master, I'd be on the other shore. It's nice and clear here right now, but it's going to get murkier and murkier and come up a little higher here in the next half hour or so. But it's beautiful here. The Lackawaxen River. The water's pretty clear now. You can see the lure, even without polarized lenses. But once that water from the... they have a power plant, and they let the water out there to keep the temperatures down in the river for the trout. So they have to kind of flush. Oh, there was a fish just broke the surface. But they have to kind of flush the river and make sure it stays cool enough. So the river goes up and down, and there's warning signs all up and down the river. Be careful, you know, the river level can rise in a moment's notice. Oh, there he is again. If I can come across right about where he's at. But he's probably... Oh, fish on, that's him. I got him. Oh, ho, ho, you see that? I think it's a trout, too. I've been catching some smallmouth. Let's see. Yeah, come right up in here, buddy. It's a trout. It's a rainbow. Right up in here. Let's see if I can get him up over this way. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Got him. Oh, that's a beauty, man. Oh, wow, look at that one. That's got to be a good 14 inches and fat. Wow.